Hi everyone, my name is Shivam Dangwal. This is a small project known as Scientific Calculator using Python. I have used Python IDE known as PyCharm Community 2020.2 to create this particular scientific calculator. And in this scientific calculator, I have mentioned the very attractive graphical user interface, and I mentioned various trigonometric functions, exponential functions, logarithmic functions, and the basic functions such as plus, minus, multiply, and divide. So let us see the functioning of this particular scientific calculator project. Okay, so I run this command. This is how the user interface of this particular scientific calculator is all about. Here I have 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6. These are the numeric keypads. Here multiply, minus, plus, and here the left to the clear button is divide. So these are the basic D mass, and here sine, cos, tan, these are the trigonometric functions. Sin h, cos h, and tan h, these are the trigonometric hyperbolic functions. And I've used basic operators such as parenthesis brackets, percentage, the value of the pi, and log 10, and clear, exponential, and equal to. So these are basically the buttons which I have made over this particular scientific calculator project by using Tkinter library. So let us see the functioning of plus, means addition first. So I used 36 plus 9. So here we got the result. So plus 1, which is addition, is working very nice. 3 minus 25. So here I will got minus 22. It's working perfect. 63 multiply by 2, and I will got the result here. Multiply by is doing very nice job here. 96 divided by 3. So here I will got the result 32.0. Okay, so plus, minus, multiply, and divide is working fine. Now I will use the trigonometric functions such as sine of 90, and here I got the result. Woohoo! Now I will use cos 36. I have not used the bracket, so I will use the bracket 36, and I got this. Okay, so these are the results. And when I will use tan of 0, let us suppose I have taken 0, so it's 0.0. Okay, so I have this decimal functions as well. If I want to write 3.2 multiply by 3, then I got the result here. So I have used the decimal point over here, and I've used the log. I've used the log 10, log to the base 10, basically. So here I will got the result. So it's also working fine. Now I used exponential functions. Exponential of 32. Here I will got the result. Now I will use basic log of 1000. Let us suppose 1000. Here is the result right now. And when I used pi, the value of the and when I used 3 multiply by pi, here we got the result. So these are basically the results which I have mentioned over here in this particular scientific calculator. I hope that you like this project. Thank you very much for watching the video.